YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install rings on your piston using ring pliers. All right, here's a quick how-to on installing piston rings. This particular piston I'm doing here, I've just done the other 7, but it's got 4 rings. It's got 2 compression rings, top, the second. Then it's got the oil ring, the little thin rings, and then it has a bottom ring. Only thing special, this one has a little dot. You can see the dot right here in the top, right there. That dot indicates that it goes up. It does not mean it goes top, it just means it goes up. But it's the second ring. The other rings do not have any indicators. So that little dot, all it means is that there's a bevel in one of the edges. The dot goes up. The thicker the ring, the more difficult it is. I would suggest always using these ring pliers here. Spread it out just as far as it has to go. Get it right there. These oil rings, I usually do it with this part up. You don't have to use the ring pliers for these. Just put it on there. And these little thin rings here, one goes on top and one goes on the bottom of that. Just get it started right there. And then work it around. That one went in the top, so this one will go on the bottom of the oil ring. Then we have the ring with the dot in it, which is number 2, so it goes in the second position from the top. Dot up. There's that one. And here's the number 1 ring. Number 1 position is top. And you just use the ring pliers, spread it just as far as it has to go. And then before you install these, of course, they got to be put on the rods, but always separate the gaps as far as possible. Even the oil ring, the little rings, the little gaps in the rings here, always separate those. The instructions say by 1 inch. I just do it on opposite sides and try not to have any gap close to each other. That's it. That's the basics of installing piston rings. It's very simple, but these are the key. Use these when you have to. Thank you for watching.